What are voice assistant skills and actions?
Skills and actions are add-on features that let your voice assistant do more, from telling jokes to controlling smart home devices. Skills are typically used with Amazon Alexa, while actions are for Google Assistant. By enabling these features, you can personalize your device and make daily tasks faster and more fun.
How can I find new skills or actions?
To find new skills or actions, open your voice assistant's app on your phone or tablet. Look for a section called Skill Store or Assistant Directory or similar. You can browse categories like games, productivity, health, or search with keywords. Reading user reviews helps you choose the best options for your needs.
How do I enable a skill or action?
Once you find a skill or action you want, select it and tap Enable or Add to Assistant. Sometimes you might link an account or grant permissions. After activation, you can try it by giving a specific voice command, like Ask Skill Name to start a quiz, or Talk to Action Name.
How can I manage or remove skills and actions?
To manage or remove skills or actions, return to your voice assistant's app and visit your skills or manage actions. Here, you can see everything you've enabled. You can disable or delete features you no longer use, helping keep your assistant organized and tailored to your preferences.
Are voice assistant skills and actions safe?
Most skills and actions are reviewed before being published, but it's still good practice to check the creator, read user ratings, and understand what information you're sharing. You can review privacy settings in your app at any time, giving you control over which skills have access to your data or accounts.